After learning this delicious recipe, there are no more apples left at home. Start by peeling 5 apples. Then remove all the seeds. We don't want any surprises when it's time to eat. Now grate all the apples into large slices. Remember, the bigger, the more flavor. Once this is done, add 100 g of flour, 80 g of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, 3 eggs, 150 milliliters of milk and 30 g of melted butter to a bowl and mix everything together. Make this mixture as if you were stirring a magic potion. Once the dough is smooth, add a tablespoon of baking powder and mix again. Then add the sliced apples that were set aside and mix again. Don't forget to give those apples some love. Now that the dough is ready, transfer it to a buttered and floured pan and bake it in a preheated oven at 170 degrees for 40 minutes. Finish with icing sugar to taste. It's like adding a star touch to a show. And here it is. Our sensational apple cake with lots of apples is ready to be served. Did you like this recipe? Then like and follow our page for more tips like this. Bon appetit and see you on your next culinary adventure.